So hi friend, this is Amit and you're watching my channel Information and Educational Videos. So here I will talk about the 10 best college at low rank in COMEDK and KCET examination of 2022. That is, as you all know, the counseling is about to start for COMEDK as well as KCET. So here I will try to provide you the 10 best college at low rank. I have already provided the similar type of video for 10 best college, average 10 college. You can check all those video in the I button as well as the description box, or you can go to COMEDK and KCET playlist in the same channel, so that you will able to get all the information about the counseling process, how you need to do that, decision making, everything, refund policy, all the thing has been provided there. So please try to go there, and if you're first to my channel, please try to subscribe to the channel, so that you will be getting the complete information about COMEDK, KCET as well as other entrance exam, other counseling also in this same channel. And also during the counseling process, I will be guiding you completely so that you will get the best out of your rank. That is for choice, filling, decision making, everything up to your admission is done, so that you will able to get the best out of your rank up to the last. So if you want, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number. There is a nominal charge for that. So let's continue this video. Basically here I will consider the CSC, ISC and EC branch. I know many of you are looking for these branches, so I will consider this branch for KCET as well as COMEDK. Both cutoff I will provide you up to the last round. So let's continue this video. So here is the first college, that is Global Academy of Technology. So whatever college I will include in this video, those colleges are having better placement record and the best academic. That's why I'm considering. Obviously it is not like the top college, that is RV, MS Ramaiah, but it will have a good placement as well as academic. I think many of you are looking for the good academic as well as placement. That is, you should have a good job after 4 years and also your academics should be fine. So I have considered this thing. That's why I'm providing you the complete information here. So for Global Academy of Technology, CSC 18,694 will be the cutoff for CSC. That is expected cutoff you can expect. And for ISC it will be around 24,000. For EC 37,000. It is up to the last round for KCET counseling I'm talking about. Now let's talk about for COMEDK counseling. So for CSC 21,600, ISC 35,500, EC 40,000 you can expect. Now if you talk about the KS School of Engineering and Management, so here is the information. For CSC 52,000, for EC up to 1 lakh also you will get. For CSC with COMEDK 65,000, and for EC you can get up to the last rank also. So the EC will be available at any rank, I think, because these are the lower college, but this college have a good academic as well as placement. That's why I have included in this video. So now let's talk about next one, that is Cambridge Institute of Technology. So here is the information for CSC with KCET 26,000, ISC 38,000, EC 67,000. With COMEDK it will be 23,000. For ISC 34,000, EC 41,000. So now let's talk about the next one, AMC College of Engineering. So here's the information for COMEDK 36, 45 and 70,000. That is for CSC, ISC, EC respectively. And for COMEDK it will be 35, 40 and 50,000. It is expected cutoff up to the last round. I have considered everything, that is current year trend, also the previous year 3-4 years cutoff. So everything I have considered. Thereafter I am providing you the video. And also one more time I would like to inform you, if you want the complete counseling guidance with a nominal charge, because if you will take my personal time, you will have to pay for that, but it is complete my responsibility to provide you the best out of your rank once you register with my guidance. So if you want, you can contact me. And it is not only for COMEDK but for other counseling also. Whatever you will do, JOSA counseling for IIT, NIT, IIIT, JFPI college, that is JOSA as well as CSAP counseling, and JAC Delhi counseling, MST, CET, Amrita, everything I will be guiding you completely, so that you will able to join the best college by the end of this year. So hope you get my point. So if you want, you can contact me anytime from 10 am up to midnight. So now let's talk about the next one, NI Institute of Technology. So for KCET 20, 30 and 45,000. For COMEDK 12, 15 and 18,000. Now let's talk about next one, that is Sambar Institute of Technology. So for CSC with KCET 30,000, ISC 1 lakh, EC also up to 1 lakh or above than that also possible. With COMEDK 30,000 and 40,000, that is for CSC and EC respectively. Now let's talk about the SDM College of Engineering and Technology. So here is the information for CSC 45,000, ISC 60,000, EC 1 lakh. And for COMEDK, CSC 20,000, ISC 23 and EC 30,000. So now let's talk about the next college, it is Sapgiri College of Engineering. So for KCET 23, 30 and 48,000. For COMEDK it will be 37 and 42,000. That is for CSC and ISC respectively. So now let's talk about the next one, it is Vivekanand Institute of Technology. So here is the information for KCET 50, 60 and 1 lakh. That is for CSC, ISC, EC. And for COMEDK it will be 32,000, 45,000 up to 50,000 also you can expect with CSC, ISC and EC respectively. Now let's talk about the last college that I am considering in this video. One more time I would like to inform you, I have already provided the top 10 college expected out of all the branches, and also average 10 college that you can expect, that is top 10 to 20 colleges. And this is the video in which I am talking about the best 10 colleges at low rank. So for Ramaiah University of Applied Science, the cutoff for KCET 13.4, ISC 18, EC 20,000, and for Comet K 15, 17, and 40,000. So this was all about the expected cutoff of 10 best college at low rank in Comet K Counseling 2022. So hope you find this information very useful for you. So please try to subscribe the channel so that you will be getting the complete information about everything that is Comet K, KSET, and other counseling, other entrance exam also at the right time in the same channel. Thanks.
So now I would like to introduce the Philo app, where you can get the solution of all your question, doubt, or you have problem with any type of concept related to JEE or NEET or boards examination. Then you can get the solution 24/7 with these 3 easy steps. That is, first you have to download the Philo app in the Play Store, and then you have to do the sign up process using your mobile number, and after that take the photo of your question and upload that in the app, and after that within 60 seconds you will be connected to the India's best educator.
क्वेश्चन में आप कहना चाहते हैं कि बल्ब की पावर कितनी है। अगर बल्ब जो है वो 220 वोल्टेज पर ऑपरेट हो रहा है, राइट। इस बैटरी का जो वोल्टेज है वो आपको गिवन है 220। तो ये आपको सिंपल रिलेशन हो गया यहाँ पर। अब अगर कोई आपको और डाउट है तो बताइए।
So without wasting your time, download the Philo app. Link is available in the description box and use the code IEB001. You will get the 10% instant discount.